We have Sawdust City Brewing Company, jalapeno lime, Kettle sour, a light beer with natural flavors at 3.5% alcohol. Now this is interesting. All right. It smells like a jalapeno bread I had before. It's literally what it smells like, the jalapeno fucking cheese bread I had. Yeah, it literally tastes like the jalapeno cheese bread I had before. It's fucking weird, but good. Try something different. That's what I always eat. So this beer is not really sour. You get jalapeno flavor, dominant jalapeno flavor. A tiny bit of lime. And then it tastes like the jalapeno bread.